The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the Earth's oxygen. A single oak tree can produce up to 10 million acorns in its lifetime. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way galaxy. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest living structure on Earth. A hummingbird's heart can beat up to 1,260 times per minute. There are about 390,000 species of plants known to science. Earth's tallest tree is a coast redwood named Hyperion, standing at 379.7 feet. The giant sequoia is the largest tree by volume, with some weighing over 2.7 million pounds. More than 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. Antarctica contains about 90% of the world's freshwater. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds of 70 miles per hour. Bamboo can grow up to 35 inches in a single day. There are around 2,000 thunderstorms happening on Earth at any given moment. The Arctic fox has the warmest fur of any animal, adapted to survive temperatures as low as -70 degrees Celsius. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. The deepest part of the ocean, the Mariana Trench, is about 36,000 feet deep. Some species of jellyfish are biologically immortal. Earthworms can eat their own weight in soil each day. Dragonflies can fly at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. The smallest flowering plant is the wolfia, which can fit on the tip of a pin. Polar bears have black skin beneath their white fur to absorb heat from the sun. Honey never spoils. Jars of honey over 3,000 years old have been found and are still edible. The largest living land animal is the African elephant, which can weigh up to 14,000 pounds. Earth's atmosphere contains roughly 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. The temperature in the Sahara Desert can drop by 40 degrees Fahrenheit or more after sunset. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. The world's largest desert is Antarctica, not the Sahara. Penguins can leap 6 feet out of the water. Monarch butterflies can travel up to 3,000 miles during their migration. The blue whale is the largest animal ever known to have lived, reaching lengths of up to 100 feet. An albatross can sleep while flying. Starfish have no brains, but can regenerate lost limbs. Clouds can weigh over 1 million pounds. A single spoonful of soil can contain more microorganisms than there are humans on Earth. The Earth's core is as hot as the surface of the sun. Cows can have best friends and get stressed when they are separated. The snapping shrimp can create a sound louder than a jet engine. Some species of bamboo flower only once every 100 years. The Sahara Desert expands by about 30 miles every year. Snowflakes can take over an hour to fall from the cloud to the ground. A chameleon's tongue can be twice the length of its body. Coral reefs support about 25% of all marine species. The average lifespan of a wild bald eagle is around 20 years. Giant pandas spend about 12 hours a day eating bamboo. Mount Everest grows about 4 millimeters taller each year. There are more than 3 trillion trees on Earth. The slowest mammal is the three-toed sloth, which moves at about 0.15 miles per hour. Earth's oceans contain enough salt to cover the entire planet in a layer 500 feet thick. Some lizards can run on water, such as the basilisk lizard. Venus flytraps can count the number of times an insect touches their trigger hairs.